Right, so any news line, news headline or commentary will also be in simple present tense. That is the fifth form of the verb. You can see here, Virat strikes a six, so that's the fifth form of the verb. So in news headline or commentary also, we are going to write simple present tense. Next rule is, if we have a planned action that is to be done in future, that should also be in simple present tense. Now the sentence will look as if it should be in future tense, but no. When you have a fixed date, that is your planned action, that it is going to be done in future, but it has not yet been done in future, but you have a fixed date there, make sure you don't write in future tense but in simple present tense. That is the fifth form or the first form of the verb. So you have a planned action given in future, you have a planned action in future given, that has to be in simple present tense. So let's see the example. The movie releases on 5th of October. So it is sure and it is planned that it is going to be released on 5th of October. So it will be in present tense. Next, if the exclamatory sentence starting with here or there. Now if you see a sentence where you have a word which is here or there, always make sure you use simple present tense. So whenever you see here and there in the sentence, completely you are sure that it is going to be simple present tense. Here you see the example, here comes the bus. So comes here is the fifth form of the verb. There goes the bus, who held first position. Again, goes is the fifth form of the verb. Es and s. Right, so here and there we are going, whenever here and there it's there, we are going to use simple present tense. Next rule, if we have a conditional statement and the verb, one verb is in future tense, the verb after that conditional clause will be in simple present tense. Now, what are the conditional clauses? Now, quickly note down these conditional clauses. That is before, until, unless, even if, as soon as, in case, if, when, while, till, after, no sooner. Whenever you will see these clauses that makes the statement conditional, whenever you will see these, just remember that after the verb, after these conditional clauses will be in simple present tense, right? One verb in the sentence will be in future tense, and immediately after that you will see conditional clauses. So don't think that the next verb after the conditional clauses will be in future tense. No, that will be in simple present tense. Now this will be clear when you will see the example. See the example. I shall visit him in case he comes to Delhi. So suppose in a question paper you are getting a question like this, I shall visit him in case he dash to Delhi, and you have a word come. So what will be the, what you will write, which tense you will write, which form of the verb you will write. Don't think that because it's in future that my sentence will, or the verb will also, the next verb will also be in future. No, immediately the next verb after the conditional clause, that is in case. So in case is there, right? In case is there as your conditional clause. So immediately after that conditional clause, the verb will be in simple present tense. After conditional clause, the verb will be in simple present tense, though the first verb is in future tense. Though the first verb is in, that is shall, it's in future tense. Don't think that the second verb will also be in future tense. No, that will be in simple present tense.